This is Angel from BK Ciandre. Today I would like to introduce a multifunctional sliding door system, which is our AR sliding door. So let me introduce you one by one. First, for the visual looking, is a very simple and elegant design, which is you can see all the rails on the top is hidden inside the ceiling. And we have the cover to cover the rails. So when you see the top, it's very clean and simple and nice. There are three rails on the top. And so when you are moving this sliding door, you can see that it's very smooth and soft close. If you want to move this sliding door to any corner, any place you want, just do this. That's it. And if you want to move this sliding door to here in the middle as a partition panel, it's okay. Or moving here, it's also okay. So it's very flexible. In the case you want to move here or anywhere, it's very simple and very easy. And through the glass, you will find something surprise is that the wiring glass is very cool and nice. And we have different kind of options for the wiring glass. You see, when you come closer, you will find something, it's like a surprise, It's very cool. In the meantime, if you want to use this sliding door like a partition wall panel, it's also okay. So you can use in L shape or U shape for meeting, for kitchen, for any open space that you want. The wheels are hidden in this frame. So on the floor, you cannot see any rails and wheels at all. This is an AI sliding door by manual. So this can be used in many projects because the cost is middle cost, which is very suitable for projects. So if you are designer or architectural or real estate developer, please don't forget to follow me. I'm going to show more ideas about interior designs. So see you next time. Thank you.